Every gardener knows the excitement of seeing those first green tomatoes. But imagine if you could double your harvest speed, without chemicals or fancy gear. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned grower, these tips will help you get the most out of every plant. Naturally. Today, I'm breaking down 5 natural hacks that will get your tomato plants growing twice as fast. And these tricks cost basically nothing. You don't need expensive fertilizers or complicated gadgets, just a few simple changes to your routine. Secret 1. Deep planting. Most folks set tomato seedlings just above the soil, but here's the real trick. Bury 2/3 of that stem. It might feel odd at first, but trust me, this is a game changer for root development. Tomatoes sprout roots all along the part you bury, so more roots means more growth, faster. The extra roots help your plant absorb more water and nutrients, making it stronger from the start. It looks small at first, but in a couple of weeks you'll see wild growth above ground, fueled by a supercharged root system. This foundation sets your plant up for a season of healthy, rapid growth. Hack 2. Deep watering, not daily watering. Forget the sprinkle-a-day routine. Water deeply, but less often, once or twice a week. This encourages your plants to send their roots deep into the soil, searching for moisture. This trains roots to grow down, not out, making plants tougher and quicker to grow. Deep roots mean your tomatoes can handle dry spells and hot days much better. And don't forget mulch. It keeps moisture in and weeds out, so you save water and your plants thrive. Mulching also helps regulate soil temperature, protecting roots from extreme heat or cold. Number 3. Smart pruning. Those little shoots between the main stem and branches, they're called suckers, and they steal energy. Pinch them off early. Removing them helps your plant focus its energy where it matters most. Your plant will focus on producing fruit, not just leaves. You'll notice bigger, juicier tomatoes and less tangled growth. Always prune in the morning for best results, and never take off too much at once. A little at a time keeps your plant healthy and stress-free. Secret 4. Epsom salt boost. A teaspoon in a liter of water every 2 weeks gives your tomatoes the magnesium they crave. Magnesium is often overlooked, but it's vital for healthy growth. It's essential for photosynthesis. You'll get deep green leaves and bigger fruits naturally. Just don't overdo it. Too much can cause problems, so stick to the schedule for best results. And finally, companion planting. Plant basil, marigolds, garlic, or carrots around your tomatoes. These companions do more than just look pretty. They keep pests away, boost flavor, and help roots thrive. Beneficial insects like bees and ladybugs are attracted, creating a balanced ecosystem. It's all about teamwork in the garden. When plants support each other, you get healthier, more productive crops. Bonus tip: focus on your soil. Compost, worm castings, even banana peel water feed the life beneath your plants. Healthy soil is the foundation of every great garden. Healthy soil is the secret to fast-growing, productive tomatoes. The more you nurture your soil, the more your tomatoes will reward you. There you have it. Deep planting, deep watering, smart pruning, Epsom salt, and companion planting. These natural methods work together for amazing results. Combine these, and I promise, your tomatoes will thank you. You'll be amazed at how quickly your plants transform and how much more you can harvest. If this helped, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to Crop Corner, and share with your garden buddies. Let's spread the word and help everyone grow better tomatoes. Let's grow smarter, naturally.